Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Paul from the team The Null. I have chosen the problem statement Police Performance and Resource Management. So in here, the problem statement was we were given some data about how police is maintaining records, and we were to visualize and show how these resources can be more efficiently utilized so that more area is covered and police is able to handle crimes in the areas properly. So I derived one solution using Flutter and Power BI. So using Flutter, I have created two applications, one a mobile application and another one would be the Flutter web application. So I have used Firebase for its authentication. For visualization, I have utilized Power BI's capabilities. I have prepared a data pipeline and the source of the data would be the Postgres SQL database. So as you can see, I have named this application as CompStats. And now I'll show you the login and sign up page. For a already existing user, we can use this page, but to create a new user, a person can use his name, email, password, and phone number and his designation. Now I have already created a dummy account, so I'll just log in and show you the components of the app first. The crime group names and the FIR count, the number of officers deployed, and we can apply certain filters like a district name for Belagavi. And we can also see for another district, suppose Bangalore district or Chitradurga district. And this is how it live updates. And I've also created some similar uh, visualizations on the application, like for FIR distribution over time. So like we can understand how the crimes have happened over the different districts and over what time. We can change dates across this. Suppose I want to know in the last 4 years. So I can just change this and this is how it updates in real time. I've also created another visualization of FIR stages in different police stations. Let's say we have to select among a district as Bangalore district. So we can say these are the police stations, and let's say what is this disposal rate, the number of officers, and how many arrested were male or either female. I have also made two more things of time of crime analysis and time of FIR analysis to better understand at what time the major crimes are happening and what time major FIRs are being filed. To understand better about the direction and distance within what the crime is taking place, I have created distance and direction analysis. Let's say we have to analyze in within the 10 kilometers of the police station, how many crimes are there and what direction are they taking place. So we get a overall percentage and basically what crime heads are, crime groups are covered. Like we can also apply a certain filter, like we can say for AFRE, so like this would be the case, or we can say for Arms Act, these would be the cases, and we'll get total convictions and total arrested males and females. Next would be a police station independent analysis, for which a person can enter either a district or a police station to better understand it. Secondly, if a person is not, if a senior officer wants to know about any junior officers last closed record or something, so he may not be aware about technologically like what to enter and how to check, so he can just simply ask this special chatbot which is connected to the database, like let's say what was the last beat of S2PN. It's a fictional name I've created, so like this will get to the DB, form an answer. This will get to the DB, form an answer, and this is how we get the answer back here. This answer shows beat 3 on 2024 of 16th March. Similarly, if you want to create certain tasks, we can do it by creating ID, name, task, and status, and a deadline date. Also, if you want to change something, we can edit here, like it's saying convicted. Let's change it to pending again. And let's save it. So this gets updated and we can check here by click on the edit that this changed to pending. Now talking about the mobile application, because not everywhere and every time we'll be having our desktops or our laptops to work with. So I've created a similar mobile application. The user can have similar credentials as the previous one. So I'll just log in with the existing dummy account. In here we get we get a different UI. So this is basically for the task assigned for me. So I can just see like on 15th of April I have a beat 3 or evening duty. Similarly on 16th I have a beat 2 or morning duty. Similarly it can also store history, like let's say on this 19th of March I had this. Similarly in the update section we'll have all the junior officers who are under me. I'll have their reports, like what's the case, what's the status of their current FIR or something, and I can also assign it using the same. So if this list goes too long, I have created a search functionality, and if a person wants to delete something, they have a delete functionality as well as a profile page to see their information. That's it from my side for this prototype demo. Thank you. बस हो गया. Hello.